You only need a few ingredients. All right, now let's start the show. All right, I got some spinach, which I like my spinach. I'm gonna put some spinach, a nice lovely handful of spinach. All right, guys, that's what I'm gonna be using today. All right, I like my spinach, and spinach is very good for you guys. I will encourage you, go to the supermarket and make sure you are buying some spinach. All right, because spinach play a big role, guys, if you don't know that one. All right, yeah, make sure you are buying spinach, and you know what I mean, using a lot of spinach at home. We're gonna get some cucumber. All right, and we're gonna be using roughly about half a cucumber. I'm gonna remove the skin. All right, and this is gonna be perfect for the summer, yeah. All right, Lisa, and all of the other rest of people who are watching, this is gonna be perfect for the summer. All right, so you want to just remove the skin from it. All right, here it is, cucumber. All right, yeah, we're gonna use half a cucumber, which is just gonna be perfect with this lovely drink today, guys. All right, yeah, I got some ginger, which I'm gonna be using. Also, get some fresh ginger. All right, yeah, it's nice to have some ginger in it. I'm gonna use a nice lovely piece of a ginger. Just a few slices of ginger, just like this, inside of the blender. I'm gonna get half of a lemon, which is your favorite, guys. We like to use lemon into weight loss drinks. All right, so squeeze a couple lemon inside of it, half a lemon. All right, half a lemon juice. It's gonna work perfect. Yeah, that's gonna work really perfect with it. I got some celery stick, which I'm gonna be using, and I like my celery, so I'm gonna put some celery inside of it. All right, there it is, celery. So we got spinach, celery, and we got some cucumber inside of it, which is amazing. That's gonna bring in a lovely flavor to it. All right, some of my secret, which I like to use, like apple cider vinegar. I put a nice lovely teaspoon of apple cider vinegar inside of it. All right, we're gonna be using some coconut water. All right, we're using some coconut water inside of it. Beautiful, guys. That is fantastic. Next, what we're gonna do, we're going to use some perfect chia seeds. Just a little bit of the chia seeds inside of it. Nice one. That is exactly what Chef Ricardo talking about in the beer. All right, yeah, I got some fresh mint, which also I'm going to be using some fresh mint. I like my mint, so I'm going to put some mint inside of it. I mean, this may look a little bit rough, but it's mint, guys. It still work. I like my mint. Now, let's cover this. And we're going to blend up this, guys. Simple little weight loss recipe in the summer. You're pretty good to go. All right. So, guys, I want to say thank you so much for you guys to watching. And, you know what I mean, as I said, you guys, you know what I mean, share a lot of love right straight through the year. All right. All I do is just the end of me coming up. But I really appreciate you guys' love. So we're going to make a little bit of a nice by blending up this, guys. Okay. is lovely. Yeah, that is amazing. Fantastic. As you can see it for yourself. Alright. And it's so easy because, you know what I mean, you can just stay home right now and just chilling and relaxing in your house, and you say to yourself, you know, I would love to drink a nice, lovely, healthy juice. And here it is. You want to drink it natural like this, guys. Alright? Natural like that, you want to drink it. And that is so perfect. It doesn't complicate it to make this one. Alright? Yeah. Just like that. Beautiful and nice. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Healthy Side. And as I said, please go over to my YouTube channel and check out the other rest of video them, guys. They are amazing. And Chef Ricardo Cooking. Lisa, thank you so much. Yeah, girl, thank you so much. And the other rest of people them who are not saying anything, just keep watching. Big up on yourself. My respect goes for you same way. But don't feel too shy to just say hi, Chef Ricardo. You know what I mean? Or say hello, Chef Ricardo. Just don't only just watch. Be a part of the family. You know what I mean? You're welcome to the family. So when you're watching, it's good for you to just say something. Alright? Yeah. So big up on yourself. My respect goes for you. Thank you so much. And I will definitely give you some more recipes and more tips at home what you guys can do for this summer. Alright? You don't have to use coconut water. You can use water or you can use almond milk. It's up to you. You got some beautiful option right there. Have a fantastic day and stay blessed. And you know what I mean? Yes, I will see you next time in the kitchen. Lisa, thank you so much. And keep up the good work, Lisa. I see you doing some fantastic recipe over there. Alright? Keep up the good work. And your girl who are doing that beautiful I don't know why you have so many plant and fruits and fever grass and all sort of stuff are going on over there. I think you're going on really good. Big up yourself. But anyway, thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. And trust me, yeah, have a blessed day. And I will catch you next time in the kitchen with some more recipes and more ideas. All right, guys, have a lovely